Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel your Bank of America credit card. To cancel your Bank of America credit card, you have a few options. So let's go ahead and dive into the video since I'm going to show you what the options are. First of all, open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in bankofamerica.com. Doing this will take you to the official website for Bank of America. Now from the main homepage, the first thing we're going to do is to tap on the Contact Us button at the top right, which will then present you with the list of options. Choose credit cards from the topics and then you will be able to see several options such as call us or write to us. If you want to write them, simply go ahead and write a letter stating that you would like to cancel your credit card and send it to one of these addresses over here. You can also easily use the call us function and call on the provided phone number, and you will be contacting with the customer service representative and they will guide you through the process and assist with the cancellation. Simply go ahead and state that you'd like to cancel your credit card to the customer service representative. But before proceeding with the request, remember to ensure that there are no pending balances and clear out any remaining balance on your credit card. So once you go ahead and follow through the steps, you will then be able to cancel your credit card in just a minute. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.